our first place here in Siargao is in view deck. Tingnan yung view deck nandun sa labas. Mamaya lalabas tayo, titignan natin yung view deck. So ito nga yung view deck nila dito sa Siargao. Wag muna tayong umuwi. Pasok. Picture tayo. Mamaya guys, maghanap tayo ng foreigner. Joke lang. Human drone. Sige ya. Human drone yan.
Human drone ka?
Vlog lang.
Ay, 0.5 ba?
0.5. So tara na guys. Next destination is ano?
Balik lang kami dito.
Magpupungko Island.
Yun, no, yun.
Pupunta na kami sa Magpupungko Island at mag-swimming muna kami doon. Dito na nga kami sa Magpupungko. So papasok na kami sa Magpupungko Island. Magkukuha muna kami ng entrance. Magpupungko.
Ito tagi kuan.
Dito eh. Tignan nyo guys. Budi Minday. Ini sa likod guys. Ito yung mapupungko dapat na mag-dive. Wala mo budi. Ready ko na ito. Maraming isa dito. Terus galo berdiri mo lagi ano. Kalalim din dito. Mga gano'ng kalalim?
7 feet.
7 feet.
7 feet daw diri mo dapat.
7 feet oh. Tara, ligo na Jam. What can you say about here? Tara, magto. Tara Jam, gidaw Jam.
Iluwasan ako.
Kaya nang pala nimo.
Ano sila? Nice diri ako tambay okay, poros pala. So guys. Ito yung ano, tinatawag lang Magpupungko. Pwede sa bato eh. Yung Magpupungko dito yung tinatawag nila. Maganda siya guys. Na guys, we're moving into Maasin River. Kisita nga Jam. Isa tanga.
Me.
Oh, tanga ka. Kaya naputulan chinilas.
The one and only Anne Southern Native Wind of the Magitan na doon ka na sa mo doon. Mangitas na kapatid ka sa klase nga mga pinaton. Kapatid ka sa klase nga isda na din makahilo, bata, gamsaw. Laban na ka din ng kapitan. Sa mga puto. Good guys. Low tide.
Hey guys, our next destination is is Masintabay. Ay, ito. Masin Falls. Ay, river. Tawag nga nga vlogger. Sa dito. So guys, ayun yung ano yung asmo to. Diyan yung Masin River, yan. Yan, tatalon kami dyan mamaya pag tapos na kami magbayad ng entrance pay. Entrance pay. Tara na. So, ito yung ano nila sa Masin's Mangrove Forest Tour. Yan. Jumping board, bamboo rap, na ibang iba. Mabuhay. Let's go there because it's very na nakasunod na, nakapasok na kami ano. There's no overheat. Halibird. So may foreigner. Diri tamin day. Diri tamin day oh.
Ngambok ko diro.
Bakit pag istorya to? Si Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Ang kontot ng gamit kita na plain.
Nag-stretch river. Foreigner.
Dalang shirt ako yung. Ding. Paano ako Ilaw sa gasaw.
ולמה כן כמובן? כאילו אני מתחקר אותך.
You jumping? You jumping or him? It's you jump. Which one? Jump first. One, two, three.
Tulat.
Jump high. Salta. Ako man salta. You know what?
Hey boy!
What do you say? Flip. Yeah. Very good.
Hey boy!
Not with your clases. Without your clases. Jump.
Bakit boy? Admil ba?
No, don't do it.
Isa. Sige na. Okay.
כן, הוא פישרתי קצת מים לאוזן הכואבת.
אז היה לו, לא היה לי מספר.
Guys,
Sige.
I don't know. This would be the last time you see me jumping here.
I'm thinking about it.
Dali, kainit kayo.
Edit kayo!
In the end.
Sige.
I will.
Dali, di kainit.
I need to think about it some more.
Ayos.
פאן,
Hi!
Say hi, ate.
Say hi to my vlog. I'm doing a vlog. Doing something. Ito mga bak. Tara jam.
Dili, lagi ko mahadlok ko ng hambak-hambak. I'm scared that.
I'm scared that. The grammar is wrong.
I'm good English.
Kasi I'm good English. I'm good in English. Turo nga, take two. Bobo, mga English yung
Alam ito akong grado na 85.
Tara. I'm vlogging. Lolo. When you say yes daw. Wala. When did you say yes daw? Ito magkaong.
Kaya hindi mo nakagawa ka, taga-Siargao ka.
Oh.
I'm not from Siargao.
Ano nga maka-yes?
Did I say yes?
Yes, so you say yes.
Did I say yes? Just review the video.
But where are you from? Israel? Oh, so far.
I want to visit the Holy Land.
Yes.
Israel's Holy Land, right?
We are living in
Jerusalem.
We live in Jerusalem.
You know Jerusalem?
Yes, we know.
Yeah.
That's one of the most of the dream of the Filipino to visit Jerusalem.
Yeah. Beautiful,
Come.
beautiful
Bye, Akan.
Maybe someday.
Come.
Where's your next destination after this?
Thank you.
No, we've been in Philippines. Next destination, we're going to Japan
Oh,
Yes.
next week.
next week?
My best regards to Sakura, ha? So Mount Fuji is very
Yes.
And then we're going to Vietnam.
wow.
And then
Then
You
home.
have places to travel?
Yeah, it's like a long trip.
we were in New Zealand.
Agaw?
Do you know New Zealand?
Yes.
Yeah,
So we travel.
New Zealand is very nice.
Yeah.
We have
Very
also,
expensive.
we have also
Very
New
expensive.
Zealand here in Bukidnon that we call Communal Ranch.
Almost the same.
Communal Ranch.
Almost the same.
Almost the same, right? But the difference is there's no snow there.
I have a question. People that have a cow, Tio here,
Cow here,
Tio, what do they do with them?
cow tea.
No.
Cow.
With horn.
Cow.
Cow. No, but with the horn. They
with
don't
the
know
horn?
if it's a
Bull.
Bull.
With like the strong bull.
Oh, no. Here.
field.
Yeah.
What do they do with them?
To the rice, no?
No, do you?
לא לשאול אותם שאלות אם...
They make,
Why do you have the animal? For eat, to walk, to what?
For milk. For
They grow
But
grow
not,
them
not
and
the
then
cow, they are like male.
You mean that?
have milk. They will produce
They have also milk?
Yeah.
Because they are
Ang
male.
pasabot nila. The Red Bull. Dili, oy, katong Red Bull ba? Nasa island nun ba? Itong Red Bull ba? Itong Toro. Oh, Toro.
Toro, like toro.
Oh, Toro. Oh, you mean Toro?
Toro, like
Oh, Toro.
in Spanish. Like,
Oh,
Spanish.
Use them for
oh, di ba?
carabao.
Toro.
Yeah.
Oh, nabi Toro. Oh, okay.
You're gonna go in Vietnam, man.
Toro.
You're going to Vietnam.
yeah.
Kung nagay-sungay gani, kung nagsungay.
Vietnam, they have a lot.
Toro here.
As I mentioned earlier
Soros.
in Communal
cheaper.
Ranch, you can
Yeah,
see
yeah,
there in
yeah,
Japan.
yeah, in the
No, in
street.
Vietnam.
In Vietnam, yes.
Vietnam is the cheapest.
אני אצל מי?
לא יודעת, הוא בבלוג, יש לו בלוג.
Send
You have a
us the
blog,
blog.
right?
See the vlog, ha?
Yeah,
What's your
Instagram,
name?
Instagram.
Yeah, I don't have Facebook, but I have YouTube channel.
YouTube, what's your name?
B-Boys and Sana.
Nah, you're too fast, you said.
B-Boys
My
and
little
Sana.
brother.
You can write it.
Yeah, we
Yeah, in YouTube.
subscribe.
You can search me YouTube. Yes.
My little brother.
Of friends?
My little brother also is
A vlogger?
Yeah. What's
Your mother?
when you are in Jerusalem, call us.
Like Israel. Israel is the country.
Yeah, I already subscribed. Look.
We can be friends in Instagram if you want. I have Instagram also. You're the Instagram also?
תראה, אני
I have Instagram but I don't have.
You have IG?
Yeah.
What's the name? I can search you in Instagram. Or you can search me in Instagram if you want.
So what do you do in a...
But I don't have TikTok.
Working.
You don't have
What do you do at home daw? Sa gibon sa balay.
No, it's okay. But all my
How old are you?
sisters, brothers,
I am 18.
18
like
and
it.
all
it's
everybody
a
else?
little bit
All of them
complicated.
are 20 and above.
All very
20 and above?
Yes, except her.
slow.
He's 14. He's not looking like... No, how... What is age? 20?
Yes, above.
How much?
No, I will tell you.
I don't know, but just like 20 above.
What's your name?
How old?
Jesus.
22.
No, you're lying. You're saying a lot of ages. But you can't get everything.
Next month,
Yeah, that's
Ooh.
She's
And who's the
22.
biggest?
Wow.
Her.
Everybody point at someone else.
Look at photos.
Believe me, her.
No, of course, but someone
Only,
else.
not in
Wow.
the
30?
IG.
And him?
The best.
30?
Yes, she's 30 also.
היה מה אתה עושה?
But here in the Philippines, the
How's staying here in Philippines? How's staying here in Philippines?
We were in Palawan,
what age I
and then
look?
Cebu, and now here. כבר עשיתי את זה,
מה הם אומרים?
30.
מה אני נראה? שאלתי.
How
How old I'm looked?
what he looks.
Like,
It's
what
like
age?
the
What
rest
age?
are
37.
Guess.
37, I guess.
you
37. Yes. I'm guessing.
25.
What? Why?
25, yeah.
You're 25?
37, you're crazy.
37 already?
Oh, no.
Serious?
25. Yeah.
You're 25?
He said
The whole
37.
life been.
I thought you. How about you? Yes.
In Philippines, no one has beard.
Yes.
But you like...
Just like the older in
No,
Philippines.
but look, when he went to cut his hair, nobody knows what to do.
I said that. לא הבנתי גם.
You, how old are you?
Me?
Yes.
25
Yes.
also.
Did you have...
I guess
Sana.
26.
למה אתה בן זונה? No, 25.
Are you same
5
age?
months ago.
5 months
married.
ago?
Yeah.
We are married.
You told him before, earlier. Yes, he told us earlier. Your wife.
He's very, very genuine guy because, he shows his ring. He shows us the ring.
Everybody needs to know.
He's proud of having you.
You're very... Can we take pictures together?
Yes, of course. מקבלים גם עמלה?
Tara. Picture daw.
דלי,
Tara. Yun guys, after namin dito sa what's name? Maasin River, we will go to surfing. Tubag ba? Sa tapaingon ba? Tubag. Oh, surfing. So, nandito nga kami sa surfing area kung saan niligo kami ng dagat dahil di kami makakaligo dahil nga may balod doon. Pero gagawin mo dito, mag-surf kami padala kami doon. Pinuntuhan namin kanina si Andy, yung artista. Kaso, nandun siya sa bahay nila kaya di kami tumuloy. Blue. I'm good English. We're going on a trip and we go.
What?
Look at them. Look at them. They are changing. Yung gawa nila yung. Tara. I am.
Dirihin na yung balot isang thing.